consultant for Reddington. Today, I'm going to give you the introduction of the Okta company, what are the products that we have to offer, and the integration with the FortiGate firewall for two-factor authentication. So before I start, I'll just like to give my sympathy to the situation that we are in. Hope everyone is fine and healthy and back to the work as the now life is getting normal. But still, lot of the people are going to use the remote work or the work from home. So in that perspective, we have scheduled this session today, that how Okta can help you in that scenario. I'm sure that not every employee of the company is going to work from the office. Still there will be 50-40% of the employee that will work from the home, and it's going to be the new normal for the most of the company as well. And that is where our opportunity lies with the Okta and how Okta will help you in that scenario. So let's get started on. Now, millions of people use Okta every single day on any device that they have access to get to all the applications and data that they need to do their most important work, to connect to the company products and service. Now, as you can see on the screen now, these are the numbers of license or the user that each company is using for the Okta. As you can see, the companies like 20th Fox Century, which is one of the leader in movie creation in the Hollywood, then Experian, which is financial company, Twitter, that is using Okta again, and so is this. So these are the number of employee in each of the company that they use Okta for one or the another reason. And not only that, but some of the company like Coca-Cola, Tesla, LinkedIn, they use this feature for their customer as well, not only for internal employee, but for the customer with whom they are dealing with. And when you see the screen, it's not only available for laptop, it is available for mobile or lap or tablet as well. So this is the login screen which you will get when you will use the Okta for the single sign-on or even for authentication purpose. And once you log in, and so is the Adobe, Flex, American Express. These are the numbers of users that each of this company is using, whether it's for internal employee for or for the customer or the partners with whom they are dealing with. And as you can see, once they log in, this is the portal that they will get, from where they can just click on any of the icon and launch their most critical application where they need to do the most important work. So it is very easy for one of the employee of a company just to remember one username and password and log in into the Okta portal and just forget about all the other username and password, so that it reduce the overhead on the employee to remember the username and password. Now there will be 5 to 6 application in each organization where they want to use it or they have to use it every day. Now Okta comes into that category, and what our job is to make the life easier for the employee to uh, to work on the day-to-day activity. Now the question is, why do these millions of people uses Okta every day? So the main reason why they use it, because of the cybersecurity threat that has evolved from vandalism to threat to actually gone on to a war level. Now, if every company is becoming a technology company, that also means that every company can be breached. And this is the data that we have collected in 2018. 1.4 billion of data record has been compromised. Not only that, average cost per breach is around 4 million. This is the data that is from the global customer. And 88% of the breach that is occur because of the stolen or weak credential. Now we know that what employee keep the password maybe to log in into the email or to log in into the desktop or even for the bank account. They use the password which is easy to remember or which is easy to guess for the hacker. And this is the main reason why the breach is occur because of the weak credential. Now, Okta secures the one of the largest enterprise that I already discussed. So it not only secure the workforce, that is employee, but it can secure their supplier, partner, and most importantly their customer with whom they are working. So I will give you the example of one of the company. So Adobe is the first that I would like to discuss. Now it's a technology company, if there ever was one. It's the sixth largest software company in the world. They are transforming themselves from making product that you download and install into the laptop. Maybe every day you are using a PDF, or if somebody is using the license version of the Adobe Creator. So that is again a Photoshop and Illustrator, to the product that you can install right now on the laptop. Now they're transforming that into the web browser that you can access it through the cloud. Now what was Creative Suite, which you can install on the laptop, is now Creative Cloud. And Adobe customers, all their enterprise customers, access this Creative Cloud using Okta technology built directly into their product. Now I'll give you the more detail about that, how they are using Okta authentication for their customer to log in into their portal. They use our API technology and our authentication technology to give their customer a better but more secure access experience for the Creative Cloud. Secondly, MGM Resort. Now, MGM Resort is one of the largest uh, resorts chain in the USA. They own half of the Las Vegas Strip. It's not just the properties like MGM Grand, it's also properties like Bellagio, Aria, Treasure Island. All of this hotel, it comes under this MGM group. Now, each of this property, they have their own domain, they have their own Active Directory. But MGM has decided to have one identity for the customer loyalty program called MLife. Now, Okta both secure and manage all their customer identity, millions of identity for their MLife loyalty program. And they get a secure experience for their customer, but they also get the ability to see what their customer want, and then as a result they can give them a better user experience for the marketing perspective. When they log in with their username and password, you can integrate Okta into the Splunk or ArcSight for the big data analysis, and then they can offer the different kind of uh, offers to their customer through the website only. And lastly, the 20th Fox Century, that makes one of the iconic movies and TV store. And now when we talk about this company, they historically, they when they created a new movie or a new program, they had to create a new IT infrastructure that they will place just for the while the movie was being created. And they will put the on-premise exchange, on-premise Active Directory, and once the movie is over and completed, they will tear it apart, everything. And when they actually move to the cloud, they want to make that easier and more streamlined. As we know that cloud adoption it at pace right now, every company is moving, so is 20th Century Fox. Now today, 20th Century Fox has gone completely digital. They connect 200 organizations virtually using the cloud application like Box to collaborate into their production of some of their favorite movie like Martian. Now, Okta is the identity layer that connect all those organizations to their cloud application simply and securely. They uses Okta for the authentication method. So Okta, what do we see here? We see a pattern. We see Okta as a foundation for secure connection between people and technology. It's employee accessing their apps, not just their cloud-based app, but their on-prem app as well as on-prem app, and not only from desktop, laptop, but from their mobile or the laptop, tablet as well. Now it's remote worker that will use the mobile device, so we can have the created policy for that as well based on the country location, that from where you want to allow the access to the application. Now apart from that, there will be a partner who will log into their partner to get more information so that they can use to interact with the different companies. And finally, the customers connecting directly to their product like Adobe. So Okta can securely connect anyone with anything. And if we look at the two side of the equation, the people and the technology, there are many different type of people, employee, contractor, partners, and this is what we discuss. And there are many type of technology applications, like where they want to connect from device that they want to connect. And if we see, the core that can connect to people and technology is the identity. So this is where Okta will help you. And the fundamental insight of this that Okta create is the new category of product, and we call it as a Okta Identity Cloud. Now, when we talk about Okta Identity Cloud, it is born and built 100% in the cloud. From the first day, the code that was written for the Okta, it is written for the cloud technology. We build this as a cloud-based service. You can't take on-premise identity service, put it into the cloud like Azure, AWS, Google, and got and get the identity services and feature that Okta is providing, because that isn't designed for the cloud. Secondly, we connect everything, any technology that is there, and we know the technology is fast changing, faster than ever before. What your user needs is today, it will be completely different tomorrow, and the only chance you have to be successful is to connect everything. And by connecting everything, we preserve the choice that is fundamental for you, that you can use anything and you can connect to everything. That is the reason why we are future proof and why we are more popular than any other vendor, because we allow user to use a choice to connect to everything. And if you're going to do what Okta does, manage the millions of identity of world's leading company, you have to be 100% secure. And we are secure. We have all the different kind of certification that makes Okta secure, and we follow all the compliance. And lastly, we have to be always on. Of course, if we are going to be the front door of every employee's access to the tool that they need for their work, so we are between the customers, company, and their customer. So we are in the revenue system as well. So we have to be more reliable than anything that we connect to, and we are that as well. We are 100% available because Okta is a cloud and there is high availability for all the services that we use. So this is the Okta Identity Cloud. So Okta Identity Cloud, it's nothing but it's a compromise of a multiple comprised of multiple product: single sign-on, universal directory, adaptive MFA, lifecycle management, mobility management, developer SDK, and API access management. So I'm going to talk about some of the product in detail. So before we go that, just give you the information where do Okta stand. It is a leader in every Gartner Magic Quadrant, and it is the only company to achieve it. And not only that, Okta is the one who is created this category. Before that, there was no category for the IIM. And in 2019, when Magic Quadrant, again, we are way ahead than the any of our competitor. As you can see on top right side, Okta is way ahead, and the second most nearest company, which is Microsoft. So best in the class product that we offer. This is the reason why we are a leader in the Gartner as well as in identity access management solution, because of the product like single sign-on, universal directory, lifecycle management, mobility management, adaptive MFA. So what does an API access management and developer SDK? So what does this all product do? It will help you to secure the identity of your employee, of your customer, of your partner, or your supplier. So this is the product that will help you in achieve that aspect of the security. Now, when we talk about that, we have a two model. One is the workforce identity, that is for the internal employee, and second one is the customer identity. So license will be also based on this model. So if you are going to use the Okta for the internal employee, your product will be different: single sign-on, universal directory, lifecycle management, API access management, multi-factor authentication, and advanced server access. And so for customer identity, we have products like authentication, authorization, user management, adaptive MFA, lifecycle management, and B2B integration. So based on the initiative of the company, you can use the different product, and then you can utilize the Okta for the identity. Moving forward, I'm going to give you the detailed information about the Okta single sign-on. So I will give you the SSO pitch and the introduction for the single sign-on. So when most people think of Okta and SSO, they think of this a web portal that easily available for easily available and accessible for enterprise app on any device. It's easy and accessible, and it's always on. So Okta SSO is integrated into everything and focus on complete user experience. Your customer care because SSO help reduce the help desk call, and it delights their end user by removing the frustration of managing multiple username and password. As you can see on the screen, you can add as many application as you want. There is a different tab that you can categorize and put the application into. So it will delight their end customer and employee by removing the frustration of managing multiple username and password. Now, when we talk about the Okta single sign-on, Okta single sign-on is a broader and more comprehensive than just a web portal. It's built on top of our four core pillar, which is integrated access management, customizable user experience, secure directory with integration, and real-time security reporting. So when we talk about the integrated access management, it is nothing but the integration of the 6500 out of box pre-integrated app that you will get out of box, which is largest in the segment. And not only that, you can integrate any app, VPN or modern API with support any of this authentication method that you see, like SAML, OpenID Connect, Auth, secure web authentication, or maybe you are using on-prem app with Radius, and you can integrate with our collaboration partner like F5 Network, Citrix, Palo Alto Network as well. And finally, you can create the policy. Based on that, it will allow or deny the access to the application. So this is the experience that you can have as a end customer. You can customize the logo of the Okta and put your own company logo, and you can change the login page authentication logo as well into the Okta. So this is what you will get in the Okta single sign-on. Multiple application located at one place, and that will remove the overhead or the frustration of managing multiple username and password. This is again the login page that you can customize, put your own company logo into the login page. Moving on, we are going to discuss about the adaptive MFA, which is more important than before because of the situation that we are in, work from home situation or the remote work. So why do we need adaptive MFA? Of course, because of the modern attack tactics that they use. They have the different technique to get into the network by sending a phishing email, by social engineering, or by using a brute force attack or credential stuffing attack. So these are the technique that they use to breach the network or the organization by gaining access into the admin user or any of the employee user. So what is the solution to prevent this is the MFA, because it will ask you for the second factor of authentication that is more secure than the only username and password. And you can use the different techniques for the second factor of authentication. So now you see the secure authentication with MFA, and in Okta you will get adaptive MFA that is more secure than only a normal multi-factor authentication. So this is what you will get in adaptive MFA. So you can create a policy based on the network. So for example, if your employee try to log in from your own network inside the network, so they will have the IP address. So you can define the IP address for which you want to ask for the multi-factor authentication, and you can also deny the access if somebody try to log in from a country which you want to ban. Then which applications that he or she try to access, and from which device, whether it's a mobile device or a laptop or a tablet, and based on that you can create a policy that whether you want to ask the MFA or not. For example, if somebody try to access the application from on premise, you don't want to ask them for the second factor authentication. If somebody tries to log in from the different location then the company's network, you can enable the authentic second factor of authentication. And based on the group as well, you can enable the authentication. So that is nothing but a adaptive MFA. It will adapt based on the policy that you have created. And what are the different kind of authentication, second factor of authentication that you can use, that is available on this. So from left to right it will give you low assurance to high assurance. Of course the topmost is the biometric based second factor of authentication, that is Windows Hello or Apple Touch ID. And then if we go on the downside, that is physical token, and Okta Push, that is mobile based application. Okta Verify is available as free with single sign-on product. Yes, it's Okta Verify is free with the single sign-on. You don't have to go for the MFA solution. Then you can use the software OTP or the SMS-based authentication or the email as a second factor of authentication. And lastly, you can, of course, low-level assurance is the power and password and the security question. So this is the reason why we have to use the adaptive MFA, because the risk is not static, and so your security shouldn't either be a static. You have to adapt the risk, and based on the risk you have to dynamically create a policy and or use the policy which will enhance the security of the user. So based on that you can enable the MFA in Okta. So that easy in MFA in Okta. Now this is the kind of experience that you will get. As you can see on the screen, I will just zoom in. This is the login request. Somebody try to log in. This is a push notification. You don't have to provide the 6-digit key. You just have to approve or deny, and based on that the user will be able to log in into the specific URL or the specific application. Now when we talk about MFA, it can integrate with the entire organization ecosystem, and on top of that we have the API which you can push to the SIM solution for the advanced analysis, and it will help you in the event of the breach as well. So this is what you will get with the Okta MFA. If I recap, the best practice for protecting the critical app or the critical info is implement a strong authentication solution that secure authentication everywhere, is easy to use for end user and administrator, and integrate with the entire organization. And these are the characteristics that we already discussed, which we can use into the MFA: security question, password, SMS, voice or email, software OTP, Okta Push, that is Okta Verify application, any third-party physical token like DO, Jamal or DO token, and the biometric, of course. Now, what I'm going to show you is the demo of a two-factor authentication that you can integrate with the firewall. Now here I have taken the example of FortiGate firewall. Now it is not mandatory to go with the FortiGate. Any firewall that supports the radius authentication can be integrated with the Okta for the two-factor authentication. So you can use Palo Alto, Checkpoint, any other firewall as well for the VPN user when they try to log in. So here you can see on top left side, The user and password is provided for maybe SSL based authentication for web browser or the client based authentication. When they try to log in into the firewall, what firewall do, it will contact the Okta Radius agent that you have installed on the on the Active Directory, and on the same Active Directory you will have the Active Directory agent. So two agent will be there. This will help Okta to identify the user information that you have on the Active Directory, and it will sync all the user information with the Okta Cloud. So what this Radius agent will do, it will ask the information on the cloud, and then cloud will, on the first step, it will communicate with the Okta Directory agent, and it will send the token with the directory whether this username and password is correct or not. And when it does, Okta Directory, it will ask for the second factor of authentication. And once you provide that authentication, again Okta agent will go and check with the Okta, and then finally you will be able to log in into the FortiGate SSL web browser or the client. So this is the diagram how it works. It looks complex, but you just have to install two agent and then use Okta as a second factor of authentication. Now, why I'm emphasis, I'm going to why we are emphasizing on this is because for 6 months this feature is free. Any of your customer who wants to use this, they can use it. And Okta is running an offer because of the COVID situation. They are providing this feature as free without any limitation of the number of users. So you can contact me if any of your customer require the second factor of authentication. You can use Okta. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just show you the how actually it works. I will stop the presentation. So I will log into my Okta portal. So this is the Okta portal. I'm logging as an admin. I'll just show you where I have integrated the Active Directory into Okta Cloud. So this is the portal. When you logged in, this is the application that you will get. I will go into the admin portal. So this is a directory, and here is the directory integration where I have integrated Active Directory. So as you can see, this is the domain that I have integrated. It is active right now, and these are the imported users. Agent is active and healthy. That means it is continuously in sync with the Okta. So this is where you integrate. Now there is a document how you can install and integrate. You just need to give this URL admin credential into the Okta. So where does this agent is reside? Here is the my Active Directory. As you can see, this is the domain Red Okta VPN which I have integrated. Here is the user, different user, VPN Okta. These are the user I'm going to use for the testing, and this is the agent, two agent, which is there. Now you can see this is the my account, is the member of domain. Of course, you need a domain admin group. Now the beauty of this agent is you don't have to restart or you don't have to open any port. It works on port 443, which is mostly open on any firewall. So that's it. You just have to provide this information, and this is the Okta detail for the Radius agent. So I have already installed that, and it is integrated with both of the both on the cloud. And what I have done on FortiGate, I will show you the configuration of FortiGate as well. So in FortiGate, I have of course configured SSL VPN. So I will show you where I have integrated the Radius server. So this is the radius server. It is same as the Active Directory. So I just have to select the authentication method, primary server, which is my Active Directory server where I have installed the agent. That's it. And this is the LDAP server. So sorry, LDAP is not required. Only radius is required, which I have integrated here. So all my user, which is part of the LDAP, it can use the Okta. So now I'm going to show you how this actually works. So this is my portal. So what I will do, I will just copy paste the username, which is here. I will try to log in with this information. Before I just click, I will show you my machine, my mobile, where you will actually get the notification. So now it is connected. So I will try to log in. No, sorry. I will use this agent. Let me see if it's working. Maybe I forgot the password. I'll use other username. Maybe I will have to reset the password of the user. I forgot the password. So in the meantime, just I would like to show you here in the reports, you will get the notification of the fail login as well, because I'm not able to log in. So you can see that authentication of the user via Radius login fail, and here's the application that we have integrated. So that information also will be available. So what I will do, I will now just reset the password. Just give me a moment. Let me try it again. Yeah. I will try to log in into the different browser. Let's see if they're working there. Let me see what is the issue here. What are the people that is there? Let me try to connect with my old username and password. As you can see now, it has succeeded. Oh, sorry, the username and password is wrong only. So I'm not sure why it's not working, but when you try to log in, it will ask for the second factor of authentication, and then on Okta Verify app, you will be able to log in. So just give you the information about this portal. So this is the Okta Verify application. As you can see, I have already integrated different portal, and here you will get the notification. And once you click on approve sign, you will be able to log in into the SSL portal. So if you need anything specific regarding this, you can reach out to me. My email address, I will just put it into the column where you can guide it. Yes, Javiria. Now you can have the question answer. Uh, its integration is free right now because of the COVID situation. Okay. Generally, it costs, but for 6 months it is free now. Okay, so I guess that is it. Rakesh, you there?
Ah, Ravi, I'm there.
Yeah. So
So
question answer is already I have asked. One question was there. Apart from that, nothing else. So you
okay,
can
okay,
go ahead and we can close the session.
yeah, okay. Thank you all for joining the session. For more information on the materials, you can drop an email to Ravi Pitwala. And for the video of this session, it is available in our Reddington YouTube channel. I'll be writing down the YouTube channel name. You can go and watch the video again if you have any doubts.